Hi everyone, I'm on my way to the Hermes store to see if they have my scarf that I turned in for a repair in February. I think February or late January. It's September and I'm hoping that they have it. They told me it was gonna be sometime in July and now it's, anyway, my sister and I are going to go and see what they have. We might look at some bracelets. I'm gonna see if they have a Kelly 25 in gold. What are my chances, huh? Whenever I say that to people, yeah, I'm just gonna go in and ask for that. They laugh. Anyway, here I go. This is what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear my toolbox. This is Consignment Shop shirt. This is again Consignment Shop pants, and I forget. Oh, I think it's, what is this brand? Oh, it's AG jeans. I love these because these are so loose. And Ferragamo belt, and my toolbox 20. And I'm going to wear it like this, like that. Okay, if I get something, I'll let you know. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, I just got back from Hermes, and I got this. So I have to say, the sales associate who helped us, and I've talked to her before when I turned in my shawl for repair. She's so lovely. And my sister was there, and my sister had her Kelly 28 in box leather, and she was thinking about getting a longer strap so she can wear a crossbody. So my sister was talking to her about that. In the meantime, I mean, thank goodness my sister was there, because if I went there by myself, I probably would have bought nothing and just came home because I can't make a decision. But I've been wanting a bracelet and an index finger ring for a long time, and I've been wanting it in silver. And here it is. It's a true unboxing. The box is really nice. It feels really hard. Okay, so this is called a chain d'encre in the size medium. The medium is a thickness, and I wanted to get a bracelet that I can just put it on my own, take it off on my own without any issues. And it took me a little while to figure this out, but let me show you. It goes like this. And she said to go directly like perpendicular. So don't bend this bar, just go straight. And there we go. There. See? Okay, so my wrist size is about 6¼ inches or 16, just slightly less than 16 centimeters in circumference. The length of this is 8 inches in length. Now this came in, I have to say, when we went in, their display wasn't as extensive. A lot of it was in their drawers. So it was kind of good that I knew kind of what I wanted to look at. I did not want to look at any of the click-clacks because I don't like how it wears. So I didn't want that. I was thinking the chain d'encre, which is what I got, and this is the MM size, and I love this size on me. They did not have the PM or the small size. This is a medium size, and then they also had the large model, which is a GM. They also, in their website, I noticed that they had a very large model. Those, I just loved how this one looked on me. Now, I think Hermes bracelets or Hermes jewelry is very well priced, because I remember going to Tiffany's and looking at their T bracelets in silver, and that was around $13.50 or so. And this is $11.75 plus tax. So, and I felt like it gave the same amount of substantial look. I did look at Ferrando, and it just looked too small or too thin for my wrist and my hand size, because I felt like I almost needed 2 of those, or 2 different stacking. But I just like one big statement piece, so I love this, and it's very comfortable. I was also thinking about looking at Collier de Sienne, but that's a bangle, and bangles are much more stiff and not as flexible as this. And plus the fact that they didn't have it for me to try. So I just decided to buy this plus I ordered like I said, the ring for the index ring. So that, and I'm gonna link below the Hermes bracelet sizing guide that I found online. So I hope hopefully that'll help you guys as you're trying to decide what size you are. But I have to say, it was really good that I looked at the website before I went in. While we're there, I asked her if she had the Kelly 25 or Kelly 28 in a neutral color. And she said she thought maybe Kelly 25 was too small, that I probably wouldn't be able to fit in too many things. And that Kelly 28 she thought was like, you know, she recommended Kelly 28. And she said, let me bring one out. She said, it belongs to somebody else, but let me bring it out and show it to you. And she showed it to me, and it was malachite with gold hardware. It literally took my breath away. It was beautiful. I want gold color, and I don't care about the hardware, but she says she's gonna keep her eyes open for it, so we'll see. I actually don't want to, you know, I don't want to pay above retail. I certainly don't want to pay above retail by going secondary market, and I certainly don't want to go through like a personal shopper and pay way above retail. So that's not me. You know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that's not me. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's just a bag. But it was gorgeous, and if she's able to get a neutral color in 25 or 28 Kelly, because I need a shoulder bag, fingers crossed. But anyway, here it is. Here's my beautiful bracelet. I absolutely love it, and it's very comfortable. It does make noise, but whatever, I don't care. So that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.